We all know anti-gravity is one of the most powerful models out there. But what if we could make it even more powerful? So here we are on the dashboard of anti-gravity. I just want to open a folder. I'll create a new temp, or say new temp. I'll create a new folder and then I'll open that. And inside here, we want to use OpenCode, which is one of the most powerful models on the planet right now. For some reason, when I try to select a model here, it tells me I can't select, but that's not a problem. So since anti-gravity is simply a fork of VS Code, we can simply come to extensions here and we can search for OpenCode. And this is the one we want to use, OpenCode. If I click on it, you will see install. I'll just enable. And then when I click on enable, you're going to see it now opens OpenCode here. I can't just click and close. Now, I can also click on this parameter here, and then I'm going to see this particular terminal. And when I come to the terminal, I can simply go to my browser to install OpenCode via terminal. Here I am on the OpenCode website. Simply go to npm. I'm going to click and copy. I'll come back to anti-gravity. I'm going to paste and it's going to run. I already have OpenCode installed, by the way. But it's going to take some time for it to install. And then when it's installed, I will simply type OpenCode and it's going to open the OpenCode terminal. So here I can start using OpenCode within anti-gravity. I could just make this a little bit smaller. You can also increase the size. One of the things you get access to when you run OpenCode is that you have a number of models. If I just click on /models, I'll click, you can see all of these. I've been using this a lot. So these come with OpenCode, Claude 3.5, 4.5, Opus 4.1, Opus 4.6, which is one of the most powerful models now, GPT-5 codecs. Now the GPT models within OpenCode are not very good. Now these ones are coming from my anti-gravity account. I connected them here. You can also connect providers. Let's see, if you click on Control A, you can also connect Anthropic models, GitHub Copilot, OpenAI, Google. You can also connect ZAI, ZenMox, NVIDIA, and all of those. So you can connect different models here. You can connect the Xiaomi models, whatever it is you desire. I'll just click on escape. One more thing, if I come to models, we can just go with, let's say, Big Pickle or Minimax 2.5 or Kimiki 2.5. I'll just go with Big Pickle for now. And I just want to tell it, build me a one-page lawyer website. It should have a sleek, clean, minimalist touch. It should be luxury looking, and then I'll just hit on enter. Now you see your context, how much tokens you're using. Already I've used 13,000 tokens, 7% of my context. So it's going to run all of this, and when it's done, it's going to let me know. It's gone ahead and done its task, and it's telling me to open this index.html. I usually don't like to go into folders to open stuff, so I can just tell it open in localhost. And you can use the build. You can also use, if I click on tab, it's going to show me the planning mode. But let me just open this first, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use the planning. Now it's giving me where it's the local host. It's going to show me, okay, port 8000 is already in use. You can also give it the port you want to use. Let's say you want to use 8523. You can force it when you're running your code to open OpenCode. You can tell it the port you want. Now, this is actually a very, very sleek website. Excellence in legal counsel. Click on services, it brings you here. Real estate, corporate law. It looks very, very luxury. This is amazing. Contact. So it gives us this contact detail. I don't know if we try to send a message, it will not go because SMTP is not yet available here. So this is a luxury website. You can sell this to a legal consultancy. Let's go back to OpenCode. Now here are some things I want to show you. If you click on tab, this build here is going to change to plan. So you see now when you click on anything, let's just say you say I want to build finance mobile app. It's going to go ahead and start giving you the plan for this. So you see it's going to tell you the different things you can do. That's the plan. I'll just stop it because I don't want to use too many of our tokens. And if you use Control T, you see it, you can determine how much the intensity of this model right here. If you use agents, of course, tap, it changes agents. And let's see Control P, you see, you can see all of this. You can share session, switch session, new session. You can also switch model. You can open editor and do all of this. So you can go ahead and explore all of this. You can also add skills. You can add skills. I already have skills on mine, because I use this a lot for WordPress development. So these are my skills. You can go ahead and add your own skills here. You can also add MCP here, and you can do a lot with this. So this is how to use OpenCode within Antigravity. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and post your comment if you have any, and I will respond to your comment. God bless you. Peace.